Are you okay in there? We're concerned you're either doing drugs or having a toilet baby.
What was that?
Oh, Lord, it's the queen bee.
Regina George.
Don't look her in the eye!
You could be really hot if you changed, like, everything. We as women have to be able to support each other.
Why are you dressed so scary?
It's Halloween.
If you don't dress slutty, that is slut-shaming us.
That's just unprofessional.
Do you like gum?
Sure.
Oh, no, I don't have any. I was just...
We're gonna make her pay. Who wrote all this junk?
Oh, hell no!
Katie pushed her.
Regina really should be lifting through her glutes.
You're not Perry Katie.
Incorrect.
You have to pick a French name.
Beyonce.
Get in, loser.